So these are my new fishes which has come in, and all the old fishes have returned back. So if you come closer, you will find these four fishes which are in a group. The big one, little whitish and reddish color, these are called dollar fishes. And these cute fishes, this orange one, this cute eyes with a cute face, this is parrot. This is called red parrot. They're also in a group. Oh. And they are very shy, react to humans, and very fast. Otherwise slow, but when they are attacking on each other, they are very fast on attacking. And look at those left side three fishes, but actually there are also four. These are called white kissing fishes, and they also are trying to be in a group only. These dollar fishes especially, most of the time they make a pattern. Now let's look at from the other side how they want to be. They all have big eyes and big fish. And their mouth is so cute. This kissing fish, the white one are the kissing fish. The kissing fish are always kissing with their mouth. And look at these dollar fishes. They will always, one is running, the other, all four will form a group. Now these are very shy. Now they are running away from me. They are thinking there's something. Look at the mouth of this parrot fish. It's almost like a parrot. Very cute. Very cute. Look at her.